Wow, this is nature at its best. So beautiful. Oh shit. There's 2 golf balls. It's cool. Oh, we're on someone's property. Shit. Golf ball. That's so. What happened? Is this the golf course?
What?
Is this a golf course?
I don't know. I just found one right there.
I have 4 right now in my pocket.
I have 1. I have 2. 1 in each pocket. Show the beautiful nature of those leaves.
There's a house right there. So.
We're not supposed to be over here.
Not at all.
It's like they cut this trail.
There's a car coming.
Golf cart, golf cart. Okay, we're on the property now.
Shit. We're on his property right now, so.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Give it a run.
Which way should we go?
That way.
No, this way.
Yeah, this way. Marking. Not beautiful anymore.
Shh. Remember, we're still.
What? Go this way.
This one looks more.
Can't get lost. Post this door. Long as we can see it.
Yeah, we found a deer antler early today.
Found another golf ball.
Why is there so many golf balls?
Oh, no, in the rain though. I feel like they came and put these out here for us to find. We didn't.
Oh, look at this stick, bros.
Let's sharpen it.
No.
See any deer antlers here?
Let's look. Let's go back to my house.
No. Found trail. Found 100 deer antlers.
Deer antler?
Yeah.
Where?
We'll probably find tons.
There's a whole freaking trail.
What?
Whoa, shit.
Did you find that?
Yeah.
What?
Oh no, I turned away immediately. What the fuck? Just plastic. If there's a fucking clown in here, I'm gonna be fucking scared. Where the fuck are we?
What?
Should we head back?
Let's look around here for deer antlers for another golf ball. What's with these what's with these golf balls, man?
My bloody legends out there. This is Liza Bane. Oh, I see a deer.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's over there. Do you see it?
Film it. Yep. We just saw a deer, mate.
Mott.
Bonk.
We just saw a deer.
Maybe down
It's gone.
here. Don't disturb it though.
I'm heading back.
Why?
Because I can't see the house.
Oh shit. Right, we need to head back.
I can see the house. We're all good. And guys, if you see something in the woods here, in the video, yeah. Okay. Look at my pants. What is that?
What?
Oh, and by the way, we can have a bow and still shoot deer.
Yeah.
We could walk up to someone's house and shoot a deer here. Because it's an extended archery zone. So you can shoot out your window with a bow. You can't use a gun, but you can use a bow. Right there. Right there is the house that we're going to try and get into. Should we get into the abandoned house?
Where?
It's across the street.
Oh.
It looks like someone got murdered there, though.
Why? Probably why it's abandoned.
Yeah. There's someone moving in the front yard.
What? I'm gonna hide. Can't get seen by these people. They're trying to hunt us down.
No, they aren't.
There they are.
Should we go this way?
Yeah.
I feel like hunting.
What?
I feel like I just want to get a bow and just start hunting now. Hunting, fishing, living every day.
Guys, if you see any deer or something, we'll come back sometime and do a video or something in that deer antler.
Okay, the house is right there. So,
Please, quiet.
we need to worry about that house right over there, guys. To maybe your left. You're right, I think, you guys. Shit. Hunting, fishing, loving every day. What?
You gotta get out of your back by the pit.
Pit? I want to go back over here. I wanted to see what was over here.
So guys, if you see anything, just comment below. See any strange stuff?
What?
Someone could be watching us.
Damn, that's ATV tracks.
That's what we heard. Those weren't there.
They were there, but
They weren't fresh. Those are fresh.
now
Yeah?
that's probably where someone parks their stuff.
They're probably someone just. There was nothing hurt there.
They could have.
go back to this.
I'm gonna make a hockey video later today, so
A fort video too.
after this, gonna maybe even some lifting in it, but which way are we gonna get back? Okay.
Out in the golf ball.
Where? Get it, get it, get it.
What's with all these golf balls? We got these golf balls here.
We have some really rare ones too.
Dude, this is a rare one.
You scared me.
Dots on it too.
You scared me so much.
What?
You have to be quieter.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't show them the new place yet. Go back to our fort.
Gary, you know what we need to do? Set up a game camera.
Yeah.
It would be right under this tree too.
Yeah. Right at our fort.
Me and him have our hunter safety licenses. So we think that maybe a deer would sit right here
Yeah.
when it's sleeping.
You can put the camera right there.
Yeah.
Get it all angled over there too.
Gary, don't come in. I don't want to disturb it that much.
Scrape right there. Right. Where's our fort though?
Right there.
But that's where the deer are.
No, right there.
Not for the deer right now.
What?
Let's collect some supplies then.
Gary.
Collect some supplies. And we make the fort. Deer. Right, let's do our fort.
No. So we're at a house now. My legs are fucked. Like, for some reason, there's just shit everywhere. See it? I don't see it yet, but I know there is here. But yeah.